Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over how we can alter a table in MySQL. So in the last video we went over how we can create tables. Okay, so let's say we create a table, but we want to modify that table. Okay, so at the moment this is the table that we have. So if I select everything from a table, alright, so we have the user ID, username and password. Let's say that we want to add another column. So there's two ways of doing it. One way is we can create a brand new table with that extra column, or we can just modify this existing table, table 1, and just add another column. Okay, so let's start doing that. So the way we do that is we'll do alter. So we'll do alter table. Then we need to specify the table name. So for us, it's table 1, and then we need to add, right? Next, when we add, we need to specify two things: the name of the column and then the data type of that column. So let's say we have another one and we want to name it email, for example, right? So this is going to be the name of this column. Then we need to specify the data type. So for us, I'm just going to do a string, so varchar 255, and then you can see whenever we press enter, the query is okay. And now whenever we select everything from the table, you can see we have a brand new column, and we have the values of null because we haven't actually inserted anything. Okay, we can do a describe table, and we'll do table 1. Okay, this is a bit too big for my liking. Just make this let's make the text a bit smaller. Okay, so we can see, let's remove this table. Okay, that's a bit better. So we can see how the table looks like now. Okay, so we have the field, the type, right? So we have 4 of these. But now let's say that for some reason we need to change the type of one of our columns. So for example, this email we have set as a varchar. Let's say we want to change this to like an int, for example. So the way we'll do that is we'll do alter again. So we'll do alter table. We'll specify the table name. So for this table 1. So the exact same as we did at the very start. Okay. So if you can have a look, we done alter table. But now just instead of add email varchar, what we will do is we'll do modify column. Okay, and then we need to specify what column we want to modify. So for us, we want to modify email, so we'll just write email, and then we want to specify what data type we want to change this column to. So let's say we want to change it to an int. We'll do int, press enter. Okay, now we can describe the table again, and now you can see that this column has been changed to the data type int. It was varchar before that. Okay, so that's how we can add a new column, and then how we can change the data type of any column. And then the very last thing is, how do we remove a column if we don't need that column anymore? Well, it's very simple. So we do the exact same thing as we did before, alter table, and then the table name. So we'll do alter table 1, and then we'll just do drop column, and then we just have to specify the field name of that column, which for us it's email. So if you do email, press enter, query is okay, you can describe the table, and you can see now that the email column has just been dropped. It's just got deleted. Okay, so that's about it for this video on how we can alter a table. I hope this video helped, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.